Evening, how are you all doing? So I've been doing a wee repair tonight on this Stanley number 4. The top was a wee bit loose, so I've found out the thread was stripped a wee bit, so I've pared that back, tidied up the threads in the body of the plane and made it a wee bit more snug. Very nice Japaning on this old plane. I will get into it further in another video. So yes, I have this modern stuff as well. I hide that because I'm meant to have old things. Just going to get this out of the way. So every now and again on eBay something takes my fancy and I go for it. I don't know if you can see these old boxes, but these say Stanley, the toolbox of the world. I have a couple of these. Little number 75. Beautiful gold and red decal on it there. This has done very little work in its time, and it's good to have the original box. So, can't remember how much it cost, but I bid for it on the eBay, and I do have a doubler with this, but this is a block plane. Number 110. Again, it has the lovely gold and red decal. It's a made in England one, but the boxes are really nice. This isn't as nice as the wee one, but you can just see that outline of the world there, and it says the toolbox of the world. I might take a picture of that and try and add it in. So these were made back in the day to encourage joiners and cabinet makers to fill their tool bag with good stuff, and it was really good stuff. Castings are, that's not done anything. It's never even, still got the original ripples from the casting from the milling machine dressing it off. That's a cracker. These are some treasure. What else have we got? A pal of mine gave me this. This belonged to his father, and I was very grateful to receive this number 50 Stanley. The man looked after it. He even kept it in the box, and so he could keep it together. He cut the box, which is absolutely fine, very workable, and you can understand why he done it. Keeps it all together, but you don't have to keep building it when you use it. Full set of cutters. Original Stanley envelope with spares and the instructions. So very fortunate to have that in the ever-growing Stanley collection. And I do like the box, how it's honest. It's not hiding. It's there, sticking out. One more thing. This was a car boot find. I think I paid a pricely sum of £5 for this. It came in the box. Obviously the young apprentice joiner built that. I do have another number 75 here. This one's been used more. The sole's flatter, but it's not got the nice decal, the red and gold. this number 78, it does have it, and I reckon from the little use this has had, an apprentice bought this a long time ago, built the box for it, treated himself after some overtime or a wee homer, a wee side job or something, and used it every once in a while. It comes with a fence, depth gauge, everything's here. So that was a brilliant find. So yes, it is we do have the Stanley collection bug now. I've not been getting a lot from eBay lately, but I'm enjoying finding the stuff out in the wild. That seems to be more where I like to hunt the old tools. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe, comment, put the wee notification bell on, and I will keep filling your head with old blethers from the shed. Cheers.